happy day one of this vlog, or happy shopping list day. I don't really know where this video is going to be placed, but whatever it is, whatever you're watching, whatever the title is of this video, happy that day. It's Sunday. I'm just getting out of church, and I decided that I have to do something about my diet. I have to do something about my weight. I checked the scale, and it just wasn't looking like what I wanted it to look like. So now I'm going to go grocery shopping. This is probably going to be a grocery shopping haul. I'm going to go grocery shopping for the week. I kind of want to do like a modified keto. I think they call it like dirty keto or something like that. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do like a modified keto diet, and it's really going to be modified because I am going to have like certain fruits and vegetables, because breakfast isn't really my thing, y'all. So I gotta have like some berry breakfasts, like some smoothies and things like that. And I know some fruits have a lot of carbs and calories, so really carbs, so that's where it's gonna be kind of modified. So let's go grocery shopping, and I will see you guys inside of the grocery store. Grocery store, and I'm realizing a lot of my favorite foods and the foods that I eat that I think are healthy are not healthy. They're either full of carbs or they are just full of sodium. Like, who wants 500 milligrams of sodium inside of their chili? Not me. Okay, so I'm back at home, and I want to show you guys what I picked up from the store and how I'm kind of going to meal plan for the week. So I'll start with the most jankiest thing I have, and that's these Jello cups. So I got them because they are sugar-free and they're only 5 calories, and it says that they're keto friendly. So these are the cups. There's a orange flavor and a cherry flavor. Is it cherry or strawberry? No, orange and a strawberry flavor. So I'm just gonna have these as a snack when I'm craving something to snack on, but I don't want to grab like a bag of chips or anything like that. And I took them out of the package because I'm actually using one right now to keep my phone propped up. So the next thing, we're just gonna like order about how we're gonna eat this stuff. So the next thing that I have for a snack are these celery sticks. And I'm gonna eat them with this peanut butter, just as like a quick little to-go snack. And I wanted something that, like, I really want to work on my portion control. So instead of having like a whole bunch of peanut butter, like by buying a big jar, I bought these little to-go packs so I can take them to work with me or take them to the gym, wherever I feel like I may need a snack. Okay, and that's it for my snacks. I do have some peanuts at home that I'm going to probably put in little sandwich bags so I can take them to work and have those as a snack if needed. And that's it for my snacks. Now let's go to breakfast. So for breakfast, like I told you guys, I'm not really good with my breakfast. So I am going to have these little Welch's protein smoothies for breakfast. Now these are not keto friendly. They have a lot of carbs in it, but I gotta do what I gotta do because the girl has to eat her breakfast. Okay, so I'm gonna have these. I bought 3 so I can have these 3 times a week. Okay, the next breakfast item, I found this Kashi Go keto cereal. They had 2 flavors. They had dark chocolate, this dark chocolate, and they had a cinnamon vanilla. The cinnamon vanilla just wasn't speaking to my spirit, so I got the dark cocoa, and I also got me some unsweetened almond milk, and these would be the breakfast on the days that I don't have a smoothie. Okay, next up, let's go to, oh, also for breakfast. So there's this trend on TikTok where you drink like some coffee, put some lemon in it, drink it, and it's supposed to help you burn belly fat. We gonna test that theory, boo, because I got me some lemons, and right up in one of them cabinets, I have some coffee, like the Keurig pods, and we gonna test that theory. We gonna see if it's giving what it was supposed to have gave, okay? Because we gonna do that. So now let's move along to lunch. So for lunch this week, I am going to have house salads. I really like the house salads at Cracker Barrel. So that's what we're gonna have, minus the chicken, because I don't like chicken when I cook it myself. It's a me thing, you know. Don't judge me, okay? So I'm gonna X the chicken and of course X the croutons. So I just got some cheese for my salads. I got some bacon for the salad. And also this cheese and bacon is also for my dinners because I'm gonna make some chili. So yeah, so I got the bacon, the cheese, I got a red onion, and I got some cucumber. And I have this honey French dressing, which is also it's only 5 carbs. So yeah, I'm gonna use this for my salads. And I think that's it. Oh, and of course, I got the spring mix. Oops. I also got the spring mix for my salads. This is what I'm gonna use. This should make me about 3 to 4 salads, so that'd be good for the week. And normally, like on Fridays, I meet up with one of my friends and go to lunch. So during my weekly vlog, I'll show you guys what I had on that day. Okay, so I'm gonna make some chili. We're moving on to dinner now, y'all. So I'm gonna make some chili to have for the first 3 nights. And then the other nights, I have some scallops and some veggies in the refrigerator that I'm gonna cook up to make a dinner. So I wasn't looking for a dinner that was gonna last me all week. So what I got for dinner, I got the bacon and the cheese that you guys saw before. I got a red pepper, a green pepper, some green onion, some jalapenos, some sour cream, because girl, I need some sour cream. And I did not get the light sour cream. I just got the regular sour cream because I like sour cream and I don't want it light. Like, give me full fat over here. Give me all the fats, okay? And it only has 1 carb, so I was like, look, I'm doing this to minimize carbs, not to minimize the fat. So regular Daisy me, please. And then I think I said I had the jalapenos. I got some beef broth. And in my shopping video, you heard me talk about the beef broth that had 500 milligrams of sodium. It was a no for me. So I got this one, and this one has only 35 milligrams of sodium. And I'm just gonna add my own salt to give it some flavor there. I got some Petite diced tomatoes, no salt added. And I also got some crushed tomatoes. Again, no salt added because, girl, we don't want all of the sodium. And then I got some ground turkey because that's the meat that I'm going to put inside of my chili. And I'm really looking forward to eating this chili because this chili, I've seen a lot of recipes and I just can't wait to make it. Like, it looks so thick. It looks so hearty. And I just can't wait for it to nourish my body because it's getting cold outside. And some good warm chili, girl, yes, it do something to my spirit. But yeah, so that's all I have. Oh, and I also got 3 of these gallons of water. And I only got 3 because I do have a lot of like individual bottles of water at home. But it takes like 6 or 8 of them to fill up my gallon. And I'm like, I don't know if I want to keep wasting all of those single waters since I'm not the only person in my house who drinks water. And I know like everybody isn't going to drink out of this. Like, I got these so they can be private. If I bring some individual bottles of water in here, they are not going to be private. So I got my private things, okay? So yeah, so that's it. That's my meal plan for the week, if you have any suggestions on meals that I should maybe try next week, or some things to do, like have some other keto meal options, you know, even if you have like some things like, look girl, ain't none of that stuff you bought keto, let me know. Like, I am open to the conversation. I am not an expert. I am just a girl who is starting her health journey, and I want to share it with you guys. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys probably in the blog, and yeah, see you later. Bye.